Looking for a BTech program that actually sets you up for success? Voxin University in Hyderabad might just be the jackpot. Rated 4.3 stars by students on Shiksha.com and with the highest package of 24 lakh per annum in 2024, it's time to count down to the top 5 reasons why Voxin is the real deal. Impeccable placement opportunities. Let's talk about the placements, and Voxin is killing it. 100% placements, 40 plus top recruiters, and roles across software, backend, analytics, you name it. Meanwhile, the top 20% averaged at 11.5 lakh per annum, and the overall average stood tall at 8.6 lakh per annum. Course ROI. Think smart, think ROI. With an average package of 8.6 lakh per annum and a total fee of 12.75 lakhs, Voxin's BTech pays off fast. Nearly 68% ROI in just the first year of post-graduation. And when it comes to choosing your path, you have got power-packed options. CSE General, CSE in AI and ML, CSE in Blockchain, IoT and Cybersecurity, CSE in Data Science, and Electronics and Communication. Number 3, global exposure. Your classroom isn't limited to Hyderabad. It spans 50 plus countries. Voxin's 170 plus global tie-ups bring you international exchanges, dual degrees, and global learning experiences that supercharge your career. Voxin's International Student Exchange and Progressive Studies program offers more than just travel. Reason 4, enriching curriculum. This isn't just theory, it's tech meeting reality. From internships and live projects to hands-on sessions in cutting-edge labs like the XR Lab, AI Studio, and Computer Vision Lab, Voxin's BTech is built for tomorrow. Industry-integrated faculty. Study with the best, and Voxin's faculty includes top academicians, global professionals, and entrepreneurs. Their real-world insights and industry experience equals your future-ready skill set. Vibrant campus life. It's not just about academics. Voxin's 200-acre campus is buzzing with 25 plus student clubs, global sports facilities, and mega events. It's where tech, creativity, and fun collide. Voxin is not just where you earn a degree. Ready to launch your career at Voxin University? Visit their official website now or download the Shiksha.com app for more.